Hello. Today I'm going to show you a set that I built today, or yesterday actually, and I'm going to review that. So it's a C8R race car Chevy Corvette and the 1968 Chevy Corvette, this one here. It is retired. I don't know for how long. I had it in storage, found this, and I built each one. So I'm going to show that to you coming up after this. Okay, so here they are. Here's an alternate view of the two cars here. So, and here they are right here. I'll bring them up here. There's the Corvette, 1968 Corvette, and the C8R race car Corvette. I'm going to do the view for you right here where you can see a little close up, side by side, or can't put them side by side, not much room. And you can also see them down there on the roll there. Back. So I'm going to do a review on that. And okay, so here they are again. And especially this one here, I didn't put as many stickers on it. A lot of them seemed a little custom. And I didn't put any stickers on the red one at all. I like it just plain the way it is. I don't think it even came with any stickers. This one here did. In fact, the windshield here is actually printed. And I believe everything else is stickers, which is kind of annoying. I don't like stickers too much. I like better when it's printed. But yeah, the windshield is printed itself. I believe everything else is stickers. And there are a lot of stickers. It's a full sheet. In fact, this sheet's a lot bigger than this one. This one here's got clear, like decals. This one here is actual stickers. But yeah, I mean, I got there's a guy inside, putting him in there, which is kind of very hard to get him in there. You do have to kind of turn his left hand upward to get him in there. And one of them was tougher than the other. I can't remember which one it was, but they both seemed pretty tough. It's just a basic build for the normal Speed Champion set. It's gray, which is a good color. This actually moves it down. A little bit of Cyrus XM on the thing there, sticker there. So, but it's just a basic build. A lot of multicolored green, orange, things like that inside it. You can see right there on the bottom. Makes you wonder why they got those in there. And so, yeah, I pretty much I put the number on there and anything with the CBR on the side here. So that's the gray one. My favorite is the red one. This one is so cool. It's got a girl inside. I believe you can open that up. Which, like I said, it's very tough. See, she gets caught on there every time. That's very hard to get. She's easy to get in there. But once you have her in there, it's really hard to get this on there. You have to kind of clip this up underneath. You have her arm just right. You could clip the bottom of the windshield underneath her arm. It'll go around. So it is, see how I kind of turn it in there at an angle? But it does catch on her arm. It tries to catch on her body and everything. But if you do it right, you can usually get in there. They also come with hair. Each one has their own hair. So you could do the hat or the hair. and then like, you know, I think it does kind of dislodge her a little bit. It goes inside the cab. There's a spot for it. Let me take that off for a second. That way you can see what you're doing. Just kind of work in there, and there you go. You kind of get her in there if you can. Touch down if you can. It is kind of a pain. Once you get it in there, it works. See, I did get it in there. Put this back on there, and they're in there. I don't think you can actually attach her. I believe she actually came unattached. I can't tell. I heard some rattling there for a second. The wheels are different. Rims. These here are one piece on here. We put them on the wheels. The build is pretty much the same as the other one. But I like this one a lot better. It's dark red. And it only comes with a couple stickers. I think there's a few other. There's a sticker there, and another one on the other side. And it's got a couple of little optional ones to stick on there, just like the other one. But I didn't put those on there. I like it the way it is. These are also stickers here in the front. But it's your basic Speed Champions 2-in-1 set, if you want to call it that. So I think they're really cool. I really do. This is one of my favorite sets here. I have a lot of Speed Champion sets for cars, and they are 8 studs, 8 studs wide. Most of the Speed Champions are. I believe all of them actually are. So the detail is just outrageous on these ones, especially the red Corvette. It sounds like Prince. But it's probably the best one. The race car, it's all right too, and it's got more detail. It's got more curves, more slopes in it than the other one does. And I like how they represented just about everything on the 1968 Corvette. I mean, it is just amazing how much detail there is on that one. So that's my review for today, and I hope you like it. So like this video and subscribe and leave a comment and let me know what you think of this video. And thanks for watching. Bye.
Please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of videos I post. Thanks for watching.